Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Taikyokills, and we're back with another unboxing. Now, you already know I'm a big fan of the Humanrace Sichonas and Pharrell and all that Adidas. So today we've got a pair of the black Sichona Humanraces. I'll make sure I put it in the description when they drop and where you can get them from. But without further ado, let's go ahead and just hop right into it, alright? Now I actually had these for I opened it upside down. Oh well. Alright, let's get it. Here is the box so you guys can see. Tell you guys a funny story about this, and I actually love this shoe. These were actually slated to come out last year, December, like December 1st, right? But there's a huge mix-up between these and the shock yellow colorway, because they had these dropping on the 1st and the shock yellow colorway dropping on the 31st of November, and these on December 1st. So I think they kind of misspoke, got ahead of themselves, and they noticed, and that's why these were slated, pushed back, and the shock yellows dropped that December or late November. But yeah, we were actually supposed to get these first. Now these come in black. They've got the Humanrace logo there on the side. We all know they come with those alternative pairs of shoes, shoelaces. On the bottom, we've got the Humanrace emblem embossing on the bottom. It's got that TPU, that thermal polyurethane, or it could be thermoplastic polyurethane. It's one of those that this sole is made out of. And that EVA as well, which is going to make it super flexible, lightweight, and it's going to make it super tough as well. Now, I actually have every colorway that's included with the green friends and family colorway as well, and I can actually say these are very comfortable shoes after prolonged wear. Just make sure you don't get them too tight, because I found with mine, depending on what socks I wore, like my feet will get a little cold from lack of circulation, I think. So that's something to be wary of. But let's go ahead and dive in and get a little bit closer on this shoe. All right, guys, let's get it. Oh, I smacked myself in the face. All right, so let's move in a little bit closer on the shoe. Now, like all the Sichonas, they feature this little cute tab on the back that says HU, which is just a Humanrace. You can actually see in the upper, which I actually really love, is this fly knit material. The shoelaces, all the shoelaces, including the alternative feature, reflective material as well. So if you're running at night, that's going to be awesome for you guys. It'll help you be a lot more visible than if you weren't wearing reflective shoes. Now, the Adidas tab on front, we know those are always a different color, and they decided to go with gray, which I think actually tones, or not necessarily tones down, but blends well with the black and this kind of like raspberry pink, maybe I want to say. Here's a closer look at the bottom of the shoe as well, so you can see it actually says Humanrace. Now, small key point here, all of these you can actually see. Now, what I love about the detail, some of these are raised and some of them aren't. Now, majority of the letters aren't raised, but you can see in certain parts of the shoe, like they're raised, and I think that's awesome attention to detail. With these shoes, you're either gonna love them or you're gonna hate them. You know, a lot of people don't like the design, they think it looks like bulky, but I like it, man. I'm all about technology, so I like moving forward. Definitely not a shoe for everyone, but I'm one of those guys that likes to experiment with new things, whether if it's a hit or a miss, man. And, you know, I'm happy that I was able to step outside my zone and try something. So if that's your type of thing, you should definitely grab one of these, or a pair of these shoes. Here you can actually see it's got some breathable mesh here as well, so you don't have to worry about your foot sweating. All right, so now that you guys have got a good look at the shoe, you guys know what time it is. It's time to actually try these bad boys on. So let's get it, guys. All right, guys, so here are the Sichonas on feet. Give you guys a good look here. And I thought these sweats would go with them. You guys know I like to try to give you guys somewhat of a vision of like what you can match the shoes with. But this is one of the first times I really don't have anything. I thought that these sweats were the same color as these shoelaces, and they are not. So unfortunately, I don't really have anything to show you guys fit-wise or any ideas for this. But, you know, hopefully you guys see this and you can get a good look and kind of visualize what you think you can put with this. Now, I would definitely say if you get some jogging pants, don't do joggers. Do actual jogging pants, something that will overlap the tongue area and that gray Adidas sign, just so you know it's not like standing out, like you're really trying to say, hey, look at this shoe. You know, you want to show it off, but you want to be a lot more subtle with it. So I definitely wouldn't recommend you wear joggers with these. I know in the past, I think I said I wore joggers with them, but that was something I kind of stopped doing, especially it reminded me of wearing them with the Yeezy 450 boosts, not boots. So yeah, that was something that I learned, and now I don't wear joggers with these. So definitely some sweatpants, or you can do some nice like freaking tailored pants, with a slight rise on them so you can see that sock, all right? All right, you guys, that's gonna do it for today's video. Now you'll be able to get these for $180 retail. Saturday, May 21st at 9 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, so Eastern Time, 10 a.m. There are two places you can get these, and a lot of people don't know about the second place. The first place, obviously, is Adidas Confirmed. Fucking good luck there. I've never even gotten mine from there. I would much recommend you all go to Humanrace and try to buy from Humanrace first before you try Adidas Confirmed. Now, if you do try Adidas Confirmed, just make sure you kind of have Humanrace as a backup. I've gotten all mine directly from Humanrace. I use their skincare, so I kind of get emails kind of a prior with the original burgundy Sichonas. If you look back on my older videos, you'll actually see I got them a couple of days before a lot of people. So same with this. So make sure if you guys want a pair, you get on there 10 minutes early. And like I said, I definitely recommend you guys try to go through Humanrace instead of Adidas Confirmed, because I had no luck on Adidas Confirmed, and from everyone I talked to, Adidas Confirmed was trash anyway. So again, $180. If you like these, let me know in the comment section. You don't, let me know what you don't like about them. Again, you can check out all the other colorways I've got on my channel. Make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe. You can hit me up on Instagram. Taikyokills has been real. I'll catch you guys on the next video. All right, I'm out.